Good morning, students. So, I have already discussed whatever the classified advertisement were there in my previous classes. So, today I am going to start a new topic, and that is leaflet. Now, what is leaflet and what is the goal of leaflet? So, leaflet is used for the consumer to sell any product or to inform about any product. So, it is usually distributed to the consumer or to the customer. So, the customer gets the information about the product or the service. Okay. So, what is the aim of leaflet? The aim of leaflet is to notify the people about a service or a product. Okay. So, that is the aim of leaflet. So, what is the leaflet here? So, leaflet, like you have already seen leaflet. How? Suppose you are going or you are visiting some area and you see that some people are standing beside the road and they are just distributing a piece of paper. So, when you are receiving the paper, you can see that, okay, it is told about some restaurant, it is told about some education institution, it is told about some training institute. So, leaflet means it is talking about a service or a product. Suppose some shop, they are selling their product giving a large discount, or it is talking about opening a shop. So, whatever it is, the aim is about telling the features of or telling about some service or telling the features of some product. So, that is about leaflet. And what is the leaflet there? When you are receiving that and it is just given hand to hand. Okay, it is not, leaflets are not for the newspaper. Leaflets are not for the billboard. Leaflets are given to the customer directly. Okay, so when the people are distributing the paper, if you can have a look, you will see that the features of that product, like if it is about any restaurant. So, the features of the restaurant, what are the foods available there, what is the price, so everything is told, and what is the location. So, everything is told in that piece of paper, and that is the leaflet. Suppose you have passed your class 10 examination and when you came out, some of you may have received a piece of paper talking about any institution, education institution, or they are talking about some training institute. So, that is also leaflet. Okay. So, when you have seen the leaflet, what is the goal? That you have to attract the attention of the consumer or the customer. So, that is the goal. So, if this is the goal, so when you are trying to catch the attention of the customer, at that time, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that leaflet should be attractive, number one. Number two, you can use different types of shapes, different types of color when you are making the leaflet, because your main goal is to not only to notify the people but to attract the attention of the customer, to draw the attention of the customer, so the customer can get some interest seeing your leaflet. And that's why leaflets are usually provided, often you can see it is in color pages. So, you can see different types of color. So, the people will get attracted to the service. Okay, I have received a paper, so let me see that. What is that? Simply if you just write down the information, no one is interested to read that. Okay, so what is that? You have to make your leaflet very attractive one. So, you can use your imagination, you can use your colors, okay, when you are making the leaflet. And you can also use the shapes also, different types of shapes. And there is no rules for leaflet. Like you have to follow this pattern, you have to do that. No, you have to use your imagination there. Okay, the more your leaflet is like nice, the more it will catch the attention. Okay, so you have to make your leaflet very attractive. Now focus on that. I have already prepared a sample leaflet for you. Now, like advertisement, leaflet can be of different sectors because you want to sell your product. So different types of leaflet you have to prepare, and you don't know what types of leaflet may come in your examination. So you have to just learn the format. Like, okay, whatever the questions are coming, in this way I can make the leaflet. Now today I am going to share all about leaflet that is related to tours and travels. So already regarding advertisement, like regarding tours and travels, we have learned in advertisement part. Okay, now this is the leaflet one. So the information, think about that. What we have learned for advertisement. In the box we have written, the page was very small, like the portion, the size was very small, but here you are getting one big page. So you don't have any page limit, like space limit. Okay, so in one page you have to complete your leaflet, but there the space is not limited, like you have to make it a very small. It is not like that. You can use the whole exam paper, so whole paper for your leaflet, and you can, because you are drawing different shapes. It can be circle, it can be stars, it can be square, it can be triangle. So you can use your shapes. So one full page you are writing the leaflet. Okay. Now the first thing that you should keep in mind for advertisement and for leaflet, you have to draw a box. Focus on that. I have already drawn the box. So the leaflet should be in the box. Okay. So done. Next one is that here who is selling the product. So the name of the organization is very important. As this leaflet is related to tours and travels, so obviously the name of the tours and travels company should come at the beginning of your leaflet. Okay, so I have mentioned the name of the company here. What is that? That is Rudra Tours and Travels. So if you can have a look at my leaflet, you can see that these letters are bigger and everything I have written in capital. So the name of the product, the name of the things, like about what you are talking about, it should be at the beginning of your leaflet, number one. Number two, you can use block letter. Okay, you can use here bold letter. You can use italics also. So according to your wish, but the size should be bigger. Like the way I have written this thing, this available, the size of A and here the size of R, they are not same. It is bigger because I am talking about this travel company, that is Rudra Tours and Travels. So the title should be the bigger one, and see how I have written it. I have make it or try to write down in a half circle manner, in a curving manner I have written, so that it will look very impressive. You can write down in a straight line also, and I will just show you different pattern so that you will understand like how you can write it down. It is not that you have to follow this, you can write down in some other pattern also, but for me I have written in this way. So Rudra Tours and Travels, done. And then what I have written, incredible price. So this price you are not going to get in other company. So it is incredible price. Incredible means what? Unbelievable. Unbelievable price. So you will not believe this, the price we are offering. See, after that I have put 3 exclamation marks. Okay, so this is up to you. You can put 1. So why I have put 3? Because like to draw the attention. So it is incredible price. You will never believe this. Next one, 7 days and 6 nights at rupees 20,000. Okay, so see, I have used different patterns. So what is that? 7 days and 6 nights at rupees 20,000. Done. So I have mentioned here the price. If you don't want to mention it, don't mention it. Next one is that how I have written, have a wonderful experience in your vacation. Okay, so if you want to go or if you want to visit some place, so you can get a wonderful experience in your vacation. See, I have written it in the circle because this is added information. So I have written it in circle. Next one is that, see, to make it more attractive, I have drawn the figure of a bus. Okay, so because it is related to tours and travels. If it is a computer company, then you can draw some computer. If it is some gym, so you can draw some instrument of gym, dumbbell and other things. So you can draw that. If you are related to some to a shop that is selling some toy shop, okay. So if it is related to some toy shop, you can draw some picture of doll, ball, bat. So this is up to you to catch the attention, okay. If it is related to some mobile shop, you can draw a mobile phone here, okay. So this is up to you. So you are drawing it. Food restaurant, you can draw a plate, a fork and spoon, and you can draw some dish also. So it is like totally the design. So I have drawn a bus here because it is related to tours and travels. Next one is that the features. The features I have written in this way. So you will see that in some leaflet, the features are written in the box, in small box. So you can draw the box also here, no issues. If you want to put some star, like star, 3-star hotel in this way, you can write it down. If you want to put some dot or bullet mark, so you can put it in this way. So I have used this one, this sign. So 3-star hotel, luxury sea view hotel. So it is 3-star hotel, that is the thing, and it is also luxury sea view hotel. So this hotel, the hotel I am providing, it is sea view and it is luxury. Luxury what? A bit of expensive, a lot of comfort you are getting there. So you are getting the luxury, luxurious, okay. So gorgeous, so luxury sea view hotel. So the hotel is sea facing. So you can see the sea from your hotel. Delicious Bengali food. Delicious means what? Tasty. It is very tasty. So delicious Bengali food. So the food we are offering is very tasty, very delicious. Or continental dishes available. So if you don't like Bengali food, no issues. We are also offering continental dishes. Okay. So both the things are available here. And obviously it is reasonable rate. So already I have mentioned the rate. Again I am telling it is reasonable rate. So if you are not interested for this package, you can come and talk for other packages also. So it is not that you have to get interest here. Mainly my focus is for this package, but this one it is reasonable rate. Now what is the name of the place? Did I mention? No, I didn't mention. So the person should contact which place you are talking about. So it is reasonable rate. See, this side I have written in the star, that is hurry up, be fast. Booking is going to be closed. So you have to be very fast, hurry up, be fast. And see, I have put the exclamatory sign here. booking is going to be closed. So the booking is going to be over. So you have to be very fast. Okay. Done. So this I have put in the start because I want to draw the attention. And see, I have make it bold. So it will catch the attention. So what is this? Okay, I have to be very fast. Otherwise the booking is going to be closed. So hurry up. It is going to be closed. And at the end, what I have done, the most important one, the contact. Otherwise, the person will not be able to contact you. So, the contact number I have provided here, the address and the phone number. So, if the person is interested, obviously he needs the contact address and the contact number. So, this is the place. Okay. So, that is all about leaflet. Now, focus on the question pattern here. So, understood this one? Now, here I am providing the question for you. I am writing down the question here. Make a leaflet for a tours and travel company for Manali and Shimla. So, make a leaflet for a tours and travel company for Manali and Shimla. So, how you can change it? What are the informations you are getting? So, focus on that. Already in the name of the place it is mentioned. So, you have to put this information in your leaflet. I have not written that. So, you have to think about that. So, the name of the tours and travels company I have not mentioned. So, anything you can write it down, but the place it is told here, it is for Manali and Shimla. Now, how you have to do it? Focus on that. So, you can write down here 6 nights at rupees 10,000 in Manali and Shimla. So, you can write down here, or in some other places in box or in circle you can write it down. Okay. So, that was all for leaflet. So, what are the things you have learned from today's class? A leaflet related to tours and travels. Not only that, for leaflet, number 1 is that you can use different color. It should be in the box number 1. Different colors you can use, different fonts you can use, shapes you can use, size of the fonts you can use. Next one is that for leaflet, you can draw picture also. Okay, so leaflet should be in the box. You can use different color, you can use different fonts, you can use different shapes, you can use different size. You can draw picture also for leaflet. Okay, that was all for everything that is related to leaflet. So, that's all for today. Try to practice this question at home and take care.